The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for southern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Mayes County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles south of Rose, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in or near the path include J. Colcord, Kansas, Oaks, Leach, Twin Oaks, Rose, Dodge, Lake Cochise State Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.